What if I told you that in any piece of text, the word the makes up 6% of the total number of words? Approximately 6 out of 100 of everything that you say is the. It's true, according to the ZIPF law. The ZIPF law is a mathematical formula that was created by George Kingsley ZIPF, whose theory was that in a large body of language, the frequency of each word is inversely proportional to its rank of frequency. Now, I'm the kind of person who's a bit skeptical about these things, so I went and tested it. I wanted to see if the ZIPF law really does apply to everything, so I chose to test it with the fattest book I could think of. The first book of The Lord of the Rings. In the ebook version of the first Lord of the Rings, there are 184,492 words. Out of these words, the most used word was the, which made up approximately 9% of all words. Then came the word and, which made up approximately 4.9% of the words. Then to, which was 3.4%, then of, which was 3%, then be, which was 2.1%, then in, followed by that, followed by I, followed by it, and finally, have. If we put the pattern of the ZIPF law on top of the graph we've created, it's almost a perfect match. So this shows us that the ZIPF law is true when it comes to text. But that's not it. The ZIPF law actually applies to a lot more than just language. The pattern can be found in city populations, earthquake magnitudes, last names, the number of phone calls people receive, the number of people that die in wars, even the ingredients used in cookbooks. The list goes on. So, is the ZIPF law all around us then? Clearly the pattern can be found in heaps of different and seemingly random things. So is it just a naturally occurring pattern? Is the ZIPF law a pattern that humans are just obsessed with without realizing? Does it just magically occur in everything we do, write, say, and make? Well, there's no certain answer yet, only theories as to why this happens. We, the human race, have been exploring outer space and new worlds and other stuff that's way beyond our world and our lives. Yet we don't even understand how our own languages works. Perhaps we'll never know. Maybe this is the greatest unsolved mystery. Maths shows and demonstrates the ZIPF law to us, but can it be explained? One thing is for sure. Maths was somehow incorporated into something like language that was never even intended to be mathematical. Maths is all around us. Maths is a lot more than just numbers.